Good morning. Welcome to my channel again. Here with me is African elephant. Scientific name is Loxodonta africana. Elephants do live in families called family units. This is a lone male. He's just majestically walking away from me. Look, So elephants live in family units. The family unit is composed of the oldest female. The rest will be the siblings. That is the second oldest sister, third oldest sister, and list goes on. The rest will be young ones. That is the calves, males, female calves. The males, when they attain the age of 11, 12, 13, up to 17 years, if they are well behaved, can be retained longer, up to 17. If they are not behaved well, the matriarch kicks them out of the family. They start mounting young females. That is, they try to control inbreeding. So this male is walking straight towards me. He's getting a little friendly. You observe elephant behavior. So he's a big male in his mid-20s, just grazing, slowly, just majestically walking.